Here are 5 resorts in Cancun that will wow you. And poor Cancun gets such a bad rap sometimes, but there are amazing resorts there, and I've been to them personally. When you are at these resorts, you can't even believe that you are in Cancun. And my goal for 2026 is to visit 25 new resorts. So if you've had any wow experiences, please drop them in the comment section below. I'm always looking for recommendations, and there's so many resorts that I haven't been to yet. Number one is the resort that I've most recently been to, and that is Impression Isla Mujeres. This is located on the island of Isla Mujeres, so that means you have to arrive there by boat. And this resort provides a private catamaran to get you there, so the wow experience starts from the very beginning. This is definitely a bucket list resort. In fact, it was named the most Instagrammable resort in the entire world, but it's more than just beautiful. I'm telling you, just the entire experience is on another level. In fact, this is one of the only resorts that I am still dreaming about going back to. The design of the resort is absolutely beautiful. That's why it's the most Instagrammable resort in the world, but the service, the food and drinks, and even the experiences that they offer, it just felt completely unlike any other all-inclusive resort that I've ever been to. I have to sneak in another resort here, and that, of course, is Impression Moxché, which a lot of people compare these two all of the time. And I actually did a full comparison video and honest reviews of both of these resorts. So I'm not going to go into too much detail here. I do think Impression Isla Mujeres has more of that wow factor, but Impression Moxché still offers an incredible luxury experience, so definitely check out those videos. Number two is La Blanc Cancun. This is located in one of my favorite areas, which is the hotel zone. And anytime you do a Google search of the best adult all-inclusive resorts in Cancun, this one always comes up. Now, the biggest wow factor for me here was the service and the overall luxury design. I felt like the moment you walked in, you knew you were at a very high-end resort. And I personally love the hotel zone beaches, just that color of water. And the beach experience at LeBlanc was definitely one of my favorites. But if you follow me, you know this wasn't really my personal favorite resort. For me, it was just a little too quiet, and there's not a ton of room categories to choose from. But even with that, this is a resort that does not feel like the typical Cancun that people picture. And yes, I did a full review of this resort. So if you want to check it out, I'll put that in the description. Okay, before I get into number three, since you like resort vacations, I want to remind you to pack one of these. It is a travel adapter. People forget them all of the time, and they are a must if you are traveling internationally. And these are from Epicka. And I'm so excited that I'm at the point of my YouTube channel where brands that I actually love and use are helping me make videos like this one, and also willing to give you guys a discount, which I will put in the description. But I want to show you these two really quick and the differences. This is the one that I use all the time. It is the 40W Universal Travel Adapter, and I love it because of the slim design. So it makes it very easy to pack, great for packing light, which you guys know is really important to me, but it also charges very fast. So it has all of these ports here, but it can charge an iPhone 17 to 50% in just 20 minutes. And there's nothing worse when you're on vacation and you're getting ready to leave the room and all of your devices are dead. So even if I don't need these international plugs, I still bring this with me on every single trip, whether I'm going internationally or not, because it charges so quickly. Now, this one is more like a compact charging station. This is the Pulse Duo 65W from Epicka. So if you're going to Europe or a remote Caribbean island, it does support more international plugs, but it also has the fast charging feature. So it has all of these ports on the bottom. So for instance, if you are charging like your MacBook Air, it can do that in 30 minutes to 50%. Okay, back to the resorts. Number three is Hotel Xcaret Arte, and this is located in the Riviera Maya, just south of Cancun near Playa del Carmen. Now, I have personally not stayed here yet, but it's definitely on my list for this year because this is one that keeps coming up over and over again from you guys as one of the best. The biggest reasons this resort stands out is the food. It is genuinely considered a foodie's dream. There are about 10 different restaurants right on property. Many of them are chef driven and beyond what you would ever expect from a typical all-inclusive, but a huge perk about this resort is when you stay here, you also get access to the sister property, Hotel Xcaret. So this is an amazing option for adventure seekers or even honeymooners or special celebrations. You're looking for that luxury, but you also want that adventure. And what sets this resort apart, besides all of the dining and the parks, is that it is deeply rooted in Mexican culture. So you're not going to get that generic all inclusive resort feeling. You're going to really feel like you're in Mexico. Number 4 is the Fairmont Mayakoba, which is located right near Playa del Carmen in the Mayakoba complex. And this is not an adults only all inclusive, it's actually a family, but it appeals to a lot of adults because of what it offers. And honestly, this resort I think has surprised me the most of any resorts that I've been to. This is not your typical all inclusive, it's a luxury resort that offers an all inclusive option. And while it's family friendly, adults love it here for the food and mixology alone. The restaurants are open to the public, so locals and travelers are here just to dine. So the food is definitely next level. Now, if you're a nature lover, you're going to love it here because it offers a serene, immersive environment. And this is where this resort really shines. You're surrounded by lush waterways and tropical scenery, and it just feels worlds away from the Cancun airport. Now, again, this is not a high energy party resort, but if you appreciate refined luxury, incredible dining, and even a PGA level golf course that hosts tournaments, this resort might surprise you like it surprised me. And of course, I did a full in-depth review on my channel, which I will link in the description below. Number 5, and I feel like this hotel does not get enough attention, is Hotel Mussai. This is located north of Cancun in Costa, Mujeres. Now, personally have not been there yet, but I know a lot of close personal friends and subscribers and followers who have that completely rave about it. Now, this is ultra luxury. So if you're looking for that really elevated experience, of course, that means ultra luxury price tag, but it has incredible decor, incredible views. They are known for their rooftop infinity pool, but just the rooms, the decor, the service is all on another level. This is for the traveler who loves a modern, sleek resort aesthetic. So everything from the rooms to the restaurants has that contemporary feel. And this is not a party resort. You're not going to find that loud, high energy scenes here. It really leans into that luxury experience. So elevated activities like cocktail making classes, yoga, an amazing spa, and awesome dining. Now, I feel like I have to have some honorable mentions because there's just so many beautiful resorts in Cancun that you need to know about. So first is Secrets Akumal, and I do a full review, honest review of this resort, which I will link in the description. But I just loved where it was located. Even though it's a little far from the airport, it is on a turtle sanctuary. So you can literally snorkel right off the beach and see sea turtles. It definitely has that beautiful tropical vibe, but just the food, the service, the drinks, everything about that resort I absolutely loved. Grand Velas is another one that I need to mention. Now, I haven't personally been there, but it is very similar to Fairmont Mayakoba, where it's a luxury family resort, but it has just the reputation of being on another level. So it's not a typical all-inclusive resort. You really feel like you are at a luxury destination. And La Casa de la Playa is another bucket list destination for me. It's owned by the same group as Hotel Xcaret Arte, but it is that next level luxury boutique experience with only 63 oceanfront suites, and it was named the #1 resort in Mexico in the Travel and Leisure World's Best Awards. And I always have to mention Hyatt Cancun for having the most wow experience when it comes to the beach. The color of that water is that clear crystal blue that everyone wants. Now, it can get seaweed sometimes. As you guys know, Cancun is having an issue with the sargasso in season, sometimes even out of season. But for the most part, it doesn't get it, and it's just the most beautiful color water that I've ever seen. To avoid hate comments, I definitely need to mention Atelier Playa Mujeres because it is a fan favorite. Now, it was not one of my favorite experiences. I didn't feel wowed when I was there, but so many other people do. So I feel like I definitely need to mention it because it wins awards year after year for being the #1 adults only all-inclusive resort in the Cancun area, and it's just known for its food and its service. I definitely say you should upgrade to the Inspira level to really get that wow experience. And as always, I love hearing from you guys in the comment section below. Let me know some of your favorite wow experiences that you've had in Cancun. And if you need help booking these resorts, you can find that information in the description along with the links to the videos referenced. Keep following me at 3 days and Tres Noches. I'm actually getting ready to go back to Cancun in a few weeks to give you another honest resort review. So definitely follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well for live updates.